Good evening, everybody. If you dream on buying a house next to the beach, you might want to think twice. You might have the ocean water in the living room in the near future. Yes, people, global warming is real, but we can do things to help. Since we are part of the problem, it is our responsibility to be part of the solution. 95% of climate scientists agree that global warming is real. I am going to talk to you about what global warming is, what are the effects in the environment, and the things we can do to help. So what is global warming? Well, it is the increase of the temperature in the Earth's atmosphere. Greenhouse effect. We all have heard about that. There is a layer of gas in the atmosphere that traps the radiation from the sun. Well, we humans, by burning fossil fuels, are producing so much carbon dioxide, which is trapping the radiation from the sun, which is making the temperatures go up. So what are the effects in the environment? The increase in the temperature. In the last century, the temperature has increased about 1.2 to 1.4 degrees Fahrenheit. And 10 out of the last 13 years were the warmest years in record. So what else is happening because of that? Something is happening with the polar ice caps. Our glaciers are melting, and that water has to go somewhere. So the size of the ice caps has increased by 50% in the last 50 years. That's crazy. Because of that water has to go somewhere, the sea levels are increasing. It is projected that in the last coming decades, the sea levels will rise about 3 feet. Enough to get into your living room of your beautiful house next to the beach. So, what can we do to help? Well, let's start by recycling and reusing. What about if we stop using plastic bags? Plastic bags use a lot of petroleum to be made. Americans throw away about 100 billion plastic bags a year. Just get yourself a reusable bag. It will help the environment and it's a lot cooler anyways. You look stylish. What if we stop using K-cups? I mean, come on, can't we just go back to use our regular coffee makers? The amount of K-cups that we have trashed are enough to wrap around the earth 10 times. That's a lot. Just use your regular coffee maker. Coffee tastes the same. We can also stop buying bottled water because the production of the bottled water we consume requires 17 million barrels of oil to make. Just get yourself a nice bottle, drink the water from the tap, use the same water, and guess what? It's free. Also, we could walk, bike, or take public transportation. Because burning 1 gallon of gas produces 20 pounds of carbon dioxide. An average car produces 6 tons of carbon dioxide per year. We also can plant trees. It doesn't have to be a big tree. Plant a little tree in your backyard. All trees remove carbon dioxide from the environment. And spread your knowledge, because the more people know about these issues, the more people know how to help, we have more probabilities to save our planet. So now you know, global warming affects us all, but we can all do things to help. This planet is our only home, and it has provided us with all the things we need to survive. So let's be gentle with our only home and let's do things to help. We need to protect it. After all, it's our only home. So we have the power to help our planet, and every little thing we do pounds. So let's be proactive and protect our beautiful home.